like that. I'm bored.
Well, how about we paint then?
Huh? Didn't we already paint?
Well, it's not just painting, it's egg painting.
Huh? What's egg painting?
Well, you should try it out. It's really fun.
Okay. What do we need for that?
Oh, we just need very few items. Basically like paints and markers. You could use any type, but we're using Sharpies. So, but make sure you let the paint dry if you want to do markers on it. And nail polishes. We might use that later too. And so I guess we'll start. And what color do you want to use, Rihanna?
I'm using pink.
Okay, then I guess I'm gonna use purple or blue. So we picked our colors now, so we're gonna start painting. She's gonna use pink, green, and yellow, and I'm gonna be using dark blue, light blue, and purple.
You can stand up if you wanna.
So I'm starting off with blue. So you can also give borders and then paint, like how my sister's doing. It would be easier for little kids to do that.
Now can I use some other color?
Yay! Okay.
The egg painting was so fun.
Yeah, that was really fun, and also you could be really creative on it. It doesn't matter if you do like normal art or like whatever.
You can do anything like this.
We just did normal patterns and stuff. It was pretty fun. If you're bored, always try this out.
Okay, bye. Until next time.
See you until next time. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this channel.
Bye.
We just need a few items. Basically, like paints and markers, using like rubber, Sharpies. So make sure you like if you want to do markers. And nail polish. We might use that later. Oh my god.